everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. How interesting. All right, let's break this down. So we use today's expression when we want to express strong surprise. When we want to react to something and show surprise, we can say how, followed by an adjective, instead of just saying that is very. For example, that's very interesting. How interesting. Some common adjectives that use this grammar are amazing, amusing, annoying, beautiful, boring, depressing, disgusting, frustrating, lovely, lucky, nice, puzzling, relaxing, satisfying, strange, and stupid. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Let's have a look at the structure. We say how, followed by an adjective. How interesting. Let's look at some examples. I called my teacher Mum. Oh, how embarrassing. My wallet was stolen. Oh, how terrible. Did you hear the news? Yeah, how surprising. We had a 5-hour meeting. Oh, how boring. My wife is pregnant. Oh, how wonderful. I drew this. Oh, how beautiful. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's class. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave an example below. Bye.